Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class, and this is video number 31. Hope you all are fine and safe. So did you study the topic which we have discussed previously in the last class? We have done an activity of calculating day and night. We calculated the day and night in the place Chennai. There we found the sunset, sunrise, position of the sun, day length through animations. So we have done that activity. So I hope it is clear to all of you. We only did that activity for the month of March only, March 21. But in the textbook, page number 76, they are saying to find out this same sunrise, sunset, everything in the month of June and December. So today I will be doing in the month of June. Okay, calculating this day and night in the month of June. And also there you can see a small topic in page number 75, that is seasonal movement of the sun. So that is also I will be doing. So all of you take the textbook page number 75 first. First you have to take the page number 75. There you can see seasonal movement of the sun. In Malayalam we can say Suryante Ayanam, or the season, how the sun is moving seasonally, seasonal movement of the sun. That we will be you can see here through the sun clock software. So for the time opening, application, education, sun clock software. Maximize this. Click here, click on the exclamatory mark. Yes. So here in figure 6.5 you can see the main latitudinal lines, which is of equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. So I am you can see now we can take this main latitudinal lines. For that we have to click on the option toggle tropic tool T. So here I am going to click T. So now we got the main latitudinal lines. This is our 0 degree equator. Yes, when I click on the option P, you can see all latitudinal lines and you can see the time also. So this is the 0 degree equator. Here it is this 21-22 degree in the this Tropic of Cancer, and here in between 20 and 30 you can see the Tropic of Capricorn. So this is the 0 degree equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So here I am denoting, I am finding the this position of the sun also. So for getting the position of the sun, click on Y. You can see here the position of the sun and the position of the moon. So now you can find how the sun is moving. The sun normally moves in between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The sun will takes from equator to Tropic of Cancer, and again it will come back to equator. The same way the sun will move from equator to Tropic of Capricorn, and the same way it will come to equator. This rotation it is taking for moving from equator to Tropic of Cancer, it will take 6 months. We can name it as Uttarayanam. Uttarayanam. Okay, in Malayalam we will be term it as Uttarayanam or northern movement. In the same way the sun will move from equator to the south. This Tropic of Capricorn, it is in the south. So here it is known as the movement of south movement or Dakshinayanam. Okay, so in this way the sun will move seasonally from equator to Tropic of Cancer and the equator to Tropic of Capricorn. In between this two latitudinal lines, the sun will be moving seasonally. For moving it will take 6 months from equator to Tropic of Cancer and back to equator, 6 months, and the same way from equator to Tropic of Capricorn and back to equator it will be taking 6 months. So through sun clock software we can show that, we can see that animation, how it is how it works. Okay, normally in this way it will be working theoretically when we are saying, but through animations, that means in Sun Clock software, we can see that. So for that, what we have to do, in the Sun Clock menu, we have to adjust the progress value to see the things, to see the activities that is happening around us, about the sun, their movement, rotations and everything. For seeing in animation, we can do in Sun Clock software by adjusting the adjust progress value G. Okay, normally the movement will be taking as 1 second. In 1 second is equal to 1 second. So when we are taking adjustive progressive value 1 minute, when we are setting the progressive value as 1 minute, so you can see here in the page number 75, when Sun Clock starts, it runs at the normal speed of our time. According to our time, it will be running at a normal speed. That means 1 second is equal to 1 second. Per seconds it will be running. But this can be changed using the adjust progress value G. If the progress value is made 1 minute, what will happen? How we can do that? And after that, when we put the animation, what will happen? The map will change at the rate of 1 second is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 1 second is equal to, it will be turned to 60 minutes. The map will move if the progress value is changed to 1 minute. Again, if we are changing the progress value to 1 hour, the 1 second will be 60 hours. Like that, the map will be moving. You can see the day and night will be moving like that. In the same way, if we are calculating this, we are changing it to 1 day, the 1 second will be equal to 60 days. Like that, it will be moving. Okay. So through animations, we can set this adjust progress value and we can see the activities here. So here they are saying for seeing the seasonal movement of the sun, we have to adjust the progress value as 1 day. So here I am adjusting the progress value as 1 day. Okay, so here you can see that when we start the animations will be happening at the rate of 60 days. 1 day is equal to 60 days. Okay, in that 60 days, this animation, that in that rate, in that speed, that animations will be happening. So I have changed to progress value is equal to 1 day, and after that I am clicking on the single quotation mark or the apostrophe S. So before that, we already located the sun and moon. I am clicking that. So now you can see the sun is moving from Tropic of Cancer to equator, Tropic of Capricorn, again moving to Tropic of Cancer. In between the Tropic of Cancer and the Capricorn only, you can see the sun is moving. So this is the seasonal movement of the sun, or in Malayalam, Suryante Ayanam. Okay, this is happening. So through Sun Clock software, we can see like that. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So if we want to set the animation more fastly, we can change the adjust progress value. If we want to see the day and night moving more fastly, we can set by 1 second to 1 minute, then to 1 hour, to 1 day. So according to our requirement, we can set that. Okay. So this is the seasonal movement of the sun. So this is what is shown in figure 6.51. When you see the, we can locate the sun here. Sun is moving. I am stopping the animation. Okay. So this is a small activity which you have to keep in mind about the seasonal movement of the sun. So after that, I am opening the Sun Clock software once more for doing another activity. Application, education, Sun Clock software. Maximize this. Okay. Click on the exclamatory mark. Wait for it to come. Okay. So here in the page number 76 you can see what is known as the solar time and the legal time. Legal time is the standard time. When we are opening the sun clock software, you can see here, now it is in the solar time. So here I am changing to legal time. So this is the legal time. You can see 12:02. In my computer also you can see the standard time, the current time, which is also known as the Greenwich Meridian time. It is known as the legal time. When we are opening the sun clock software, what is the time showing? That is known as the legal time. Okay. And next one we are known as the sun clock, that means solar time. Solar time means when we are taking a place, if we want to know the position of the sun of that place, we can use the solar time. So here I am going to select a place known as Chennai. After that, when we click on the option S, you can see the solar time of Madras. How much it is? 12:08. Okay, 12:08. It is based on the position of the sun. It will be different in different regions. Okay, so that is of the solar time and the this Greenwich time or the legal time. Next we can do that activity. So here we are going to calculate the day and night in the month of June. So for that, what we have to do, I already selected the Chennai. I am moving back to the legal time. Now it is 12:04. Now I am selecting Chennai again. Okay, select Chennai. Ensure the legal time is shown below. Yes, legal time is shown. After that we have to, before that we have to set to June 21. So for that, going to adjust progress value, I am making it as 30 days. We are moving to June. From March we are moving to June. So it will be more better if we move backwards, because it is June 21. Now it is October. Now it is October 14th. So I am moving, by setting it the progress value as 30 days, I am moving to backwards. So for moving to backwards, I have to click on the backward tool. It is moving backward. So now it became September 14th, August 15th, July 16th, June 16th. We have to make it as June 21. So I am going to, I need to move forward some days. Okay, so I am changing the value to 1 day. Click on the option A. I have to move forward. So here then June 17, June 18, June 19, June 20, June 21. Now you can see it is of June 21 here. In Madras, June 21, the time, sunrise, sunset, you can see here. Okay, so you can notice the sunrise, sunset. If you want to see the day length, for seeing the day length, when you click here, you can see the day length, okay, of Madras. When you click on C, the option C, you can see the sunrise and sunset over here. So next we can start the animation. So how we can start the animation? Select Chennai in the map and activate the animation key. So before starting the animations, we have to specify the progress value as 1 minute. So here I am going to specify the progress value as 1 minute before starting the animation. Next we can start the animation. I am clicking here. So where we have to stop, where the starting portion of the day meets the position of the Chennai, we have to stop the animation. So here I am going to start the animation. It is moving. Okay, when it touches, it doesn't come correctly, so once more I will be doing. Application, education, SunClock software. Open this, exclamatory mark. Okay, and next we will be moving to, I am selecting the option Chennai. In the adjust progress value G, I am setting as 30 days. After that I am moving backward. No, it is moving forward. Anyway, we will move forward. June 2022. Now it is June 11. We have to move to June 21. So for that I am changing the progress value to 1 day. I am moving to forward. You can see. Now it's set to June 21. You can see June 21. Sunrise and sunset you can see in June 21. We can take any year. We can move backward or we can move the forward. So now automatically by mistake I click on the option move forward. So let it be like that. So after that we are going to calculate the day and night. This animation. So for that what we have to do? I am changing the progress value to 1 minute. After that I am starting the animation. Where the day is starting. Day starts. Here is the day starting. Yeah, just to it moved. So here the day starting. I have stopped the animation. After that you have to notice the sunrise sunset of Madras. So what will be the sunrise? It is 5. The sunrise will be at 5:46. 5:46 the sunrise, and you can note it there. And the sunset will be of 18:35. 18:35. Okay, and if I want to see the length of the day, click on S. You can see the day length is 12:49. Okay, and if I want to know the what we say, position of the sun, I am displaying the main longitudinal lines. I am clicking on Y. You can see the position of the sun here. Yes, here you can see the position of the sun on the equator. Okay, so these all things we can note. So I hope it is clear to all of you. In the same way, similar manner, stop the animation and note down the time when where the night starts reaches the Chennai. So here we stop the animation and where the day starting. So now we are doing the animation, starting the animation, and where the night starts. So we are stopping that at that position. We are stopping, and we can write down the name this sunrise sunset, that details we can write down. So for that, again go to start animation. Make sure the adjust progress value is of 1 minute. Start the animation. So where the night starts. So now the night is starting. It will be coming. Here the night is starting. Stop the animation. So you can note down the solar timing on the June 22nd, position of the sun in Madras, the day length, and after that when we click on C, you can see the sunrise and sunset. Okay, after that, if I want to see the position of the sun, yeah, position of the sun, it will be here. It changes from equator to Tropic of Cancer. So what all changes you can notice while doing this, you can note it down in the table. Okay, so these all things in the month of December, those who are having computers, you can try out that activity. So today we have discussed how to calculate the day and night, position of the sun, day length through animations in the month of June 21, and also we found the seasonal movement of the sun through Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, you must ask me. Practice the activity. So see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.